Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to fix Sweat Wallet app mobile login error. So now let's begin. The first thing we need to do is open our Sweat Wallet app. Tap on I have activation email and you will see the steps for activation. But if you are having problems with logging in, you might want to try going to the App Store and search for the app. Here, you need to make sure that your app is updated. But if that isn't the case, you can go to the settings and go to storage, then click on Sweat Wallet application, then click offload app. Now, download the app again and log into your account. This will likely fix the problem. And that's how to fix Sweat Wallet app mobile login error. And that's everything for this video. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.